हेलो गाइस, आज हमने ऑर्डर करा है माउस। सो ये आसूस का माउस है एंड आई कैन शो यू दिस एक्चुअली कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 1500. You can see up here. Alright, so let's do the unpacking. Here is a box. You can see that, right? And we can see up here the specification, that how we can do lots of things. You can pause the video and have a look on it, right? And here are some features that you can go, right? So let's unbox this. This is really difficult to, I guess I would have, get some. All right, so here's the box. It's a nice packing, I would say. All right, so we got nothing else. You can see that we have some documentation. Yep, and I guess warranty card. Yep, it's warranty card actually. So this is the mouse. All right, so let's put this apart. We will check this later. Let's see what else in the box. Okay, so we have nothing, and we have this extra, it's a good body actually, I would say. And here's the box, so let you hear the sound. Okay, so this looks good. So let's this open. So यहाँ से हम इसको open कर सकते हैं. It's a magnetic kind of thing, and the same it is for replacement. You can see that, right? Okay, so once we'll remove this, the seal, it will start working. All right, so here's the cell. You can see the other details about the product inside, and this is the something we can hang, right? So let's get this started. So I'm putting this now. All right, so this is basically for, kind of when you're holding the laptop in the office, it will help you to carry it. So here it is. You can either Wi-Fi from clicking up or down, and there is no light and all, so good. Yeah, it's kind of good actually. It's ये बहुत ज़्यादा thick नहीं है और बहुत ज़्यादा slim भी नहीं है, like magic mouse. So it's good actually. It's really good, and it has, you can hear the voice. So very slight voice, so you can say it's very, what I mean. So yeah, overall it's good mouse. So like this, we have another option. If you don't like this to be open, तो आप इसको जो है अंदर वापस डाल सकते हो. कैसे? You can simply pick this up and slide it like here. There you go. और इसके अलावा वाईफाई, और उसके अलावा आप इसको जो है डोंगल से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, which is this. You can see the dongle up here, the link, Bluetooth link, you can see that. So this is what it is. So मैं इसको यूज़ करने वाला हूँ for next 1 week, and मुझे आप कमेंट्स में बताओ if you want the next video, how it is it worth buying this laptop for 1500 or not. So then I'll upload the next video. So thank you.